So the piece came in, but there's supposed to be a little piece right here.
I take this, I fold it, my safety pin.
Hey, this baby's been kicking for a minute.
Listen, I can't be getting 4 minutes money and you want to be high maintenance with me fixing everything. Like, within my budget. Listen, you gonna break down, please break down. Where it's about like $20 or less.
It was 40.
Break it down. It's
This is good. Yes.
And if you're wondering why I'm cutting with this, is because Jalea took my scissors and they're missing again. Alright, so I have to get all of this, all of this. The top and sew the ends together. So back on the sewing machine, but it's going to be so fluffy. Look at all that. So the tutu is finally done, which I am super excited because I need to get this thing out. And I would have gotten it out sooner, but I didn't have the ribbon. I don't know if you guys saw that in a video, if I even put it in. I'm not sure, but yeah. So it's done. I'm going to show you guys. This is one of my favorite outfits to make. So let me show you. So these are the gladiator sandals. They will go like this and then up almost by the knee. I know that's Paul calling me. Give me a second. Okay, and this is the onesie. Try to get a close up. I love the colors. I started making it with this color vinyl here. I didn't before, but I switched it up because I like the colors. I like it how it blends in with the gold. So I love this outfit. So these are the gladiator sandals. If anybody's interested on me making a tutorial on any of this, please let me know. And Dulce, this is the headband, which I love. I put a little bit of the gold under here because I wanted to incorporate all the gold there. Put this gold flower, my shabby, my little mermaid fins I stuck in there, my little flower. So yeah, I love the headband as well. So now I'm going to prep this sucker up for pictures, and then I have to run out and mail it because I don't have a box. Oh, let me show you the tutu. This This is the tutu. I love it. It is beautiful. I'll show you. I think I took pictures of the mommy and me shirts on my phone, but isn't it beautiful? It's so nice and full. And this tutu is actually 24 months. So it's a 24-month tutu, and it's also a 24-month onesie. The baby is going to turn 1, but mom says that she's a big baby, and I can relate because I had 2 big babies. So I love it. And this is my first customer that ordered from Puerto Rico, so this tutu is going to Puerto Rico. So I love it. It's just full. Look at it. So that's my extra fluffy tutu. Well, I make all of mine extra fluffy because I just love all that goodness. Gigi refuses to wear any more tutus, so now I get the pleasure of making it for other people's beauties. Okay guys, so let me pack this up. I gotta get to the post, take pictures and get to the post office because me don't have no cajas. I'll see you guys in a little. Alright guys, so this is how I take my pictures. Don't mind my garbage. That's the garbage from my craft room I just threw out there. So Hobby Lobby. I'm sorry. So this is how I prepped it on my door. You gotta work with what you got. Put the backdrop on the back, and then this is, I have these fabrics here in like 3 different colors, so I just threw that on top of some storage boxes that I have. I threw this barefoot sandals on the bottom, and these are sample bling out shoes that I make, so I always try to throw them in the picture for free advertisement. Yep, and this is it. Now I have to go to the post office, guys. See you in the